The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for those who want professional-level photography and video in a single camera body. It features a 33-megapixel sensor that delivers extremely detailed image with excellent dynamic range. The powerful Bion Z XR processor ensures every operation is faster, smoother, and more precise. The automatic focusing system is one of its strengths with real-time tracking and eye, face, animal, and bird detection, making it ideal for portraits, sports, and moving subjects. It records video in 4K up to 60 frames per second at 10-bit with rich colors and cinematic look, perfect for content creators and filmmakers. The 5-axis stabilizations allow stable handheld shooting with the articulating screen, and dual car slot makes the workflow faster and more efficient. The camera body is lightweight and compact, weighing approximately 573 grams for the body and only about 658 grams with battery and the card installed, making it easy to carry around anywhere you go without fatigue. In short, in my opinion, it delivers a high quality photography, cinematic video, and a professional performance in a compact body.